Hey guys, check out this Gucci Blind for Love outfit. I'm going to show you how I DIY'd this simple denim jacket into a Gucci Love Parade runway look. Check it out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Rima's Fashion Fitness Tips and Tricks, where you're going to see all kinds of new fashion videos about repurposing and new innovative modern Indo-Western looks.
Okay guys, so we're just gonna start with a fresh denim jacket. It's kind of a light blue color. So here are all my patches. I have some are iron on and some actually will have to be glued on. So this is the classic Gucci Tiger that I will be using. It is an iron on patch. There's all kinds of different options. I might not use this B, but we'll see when we get there. I'm going to go for the Blind for Love slogan, not the French writing that Gucci has. And here we're gonna quickly go through all the patches that I have. There's some flower ones. There's the heart, the classic Gucci vine flowers, and voila, there you go. Now I'm gonna place them onto the jacket in a rough pattern. So these are the ones that have to be glued on. These are all the floral patches, but these are also 3D, so it'll look very interesting once it's done. So as I'm placing these flowers, I do believe that I'll probably end up rearranging them once I'm starting to glue them on. I will have to flip them or move them away from their spot to put the glue on. So these iron-on patches actually took a very long time to prepare. I'll link below where I received all of these patches. But the problem with them is they all had this black outline and it didn't look like it was actually embroidered on the denim coat once I put it on. So I had to cut all of it off on every single iron-on patch that I had, which was very time consuming, but well worth it. Now I'm gonna start gluing on the patches. So any fabric glue, permanent fabric glue would be the best. So any permanent fabric glue would be the best. And once all these patches are glued on, I'm gonna wait till it dries before I begin the iron-on patch. All right, here we go guys. This is how I believe I will iron on my patches. As you can see, I do my finished product of the glue-on ones. I did change the pattern a little bit. I thought that it was a little bit too busy to have all the flowers go all the way around. All right, so you have to turn the iron on to the highest setting and you put a cotton cloth over top and you iron on for longer than a minute. So some of them took about 5 minutes and some of them I actually had to flip the jacket over and do it inside out. And do it on the back side so that I would get directly onto the glue. And next, you guys, the finishing item of this Gucci jacket is I need a Gucci tag. So I just ended up sewing the 4 corners by hand. And there you go, my professional Gucci jacket. Next, I needed to pair this with my Gucci DIY Crocodile Pants. So I have some Gucci patches and what I did was I ironed on one on the leg portion, which is kind of towards underneath the knee, it's on the shin. And I wanted to put some Gucci characters on both pockets. So these are like a PVC material. They took a little bit longer to stick on, so it took about 5 minutes of ironing, and I had to constantly recheck to see if they were stuck. And once it's stuck on, you just peel off the plastic, and there you go. My DIY Gucci pants also needed a Gucci tag, so I removed the tag, the original tag of the pants, and I sewed on the Gucci with the sizing. Perfect Gucci Crocodile Pants. Now for my shoes. I love the GG monogram, like the GG Marmot bags, so I had a pair of booties. These are cool because they're lined with shearling, and first thing you need to do is get your Gucci patches. You've got to stuff the inside so it creates sturdiness underneath, and iron on directly wherever you want to place the patches. Make sure you use a cotton shirt over top. This also took a lot longer for it to stick to the shoe, but it worked out really well. And I kept going and going and rechecking to see that they were stuck on before I peeled off the plastic. Now as for the finished look, woohoo, here it is, you guys. So my Gucci booties with my Gucci Crocodile pants. And there's my denim jacket. And my finished look is with a double bag method, which also was seen quite a bit throughout Fashion Week. And I have my Gucci mint Marmont bag and my Gucci pink belt bag.
I hope you guys like this look.